I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can create Amazon account. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about Amazon. Amazon is an app where you can browse, search and buy millions of products. Now open up browser on your phone. After you open up browser, search amazon.com on your search bar. This way you will directly land on Amazon's website. Then on the home page there you'll see the option of create an account. Tap on it. Now enter your name, your mobile number or your email address that you want to link to your account, and then create a password. Be sure to create a strong password of minimum 6 characters. If you agree to Amazon's condition of use and privacy notice, tap on verify email. After you tap on it, Amazon will send you one-time password on your email or phone number to verify it. If you have entered your email address, Amazon will send you one-time password on your email. So open up your mail. There you'll see OTP. Copy it and go back to browser and paste it. Once you are done, tap on create your Amazon account. This way you can create Amazon account. Now you can browse, shop by department, compare prices, read reviews, share product with friends, and check the status of your order. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.